Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to use poking nail gel. First, let's take a look at the materials you will need. You will need a base gel, the color white and black. Start by applying a nail color to the nail. Apply the base gel to the nail and cure for 60 seconds. Apply the white poking gel and don't cure the nail. Use a cuticle stick in the material, wood, or plastic. You choose. And start making lots of patterns, holes on the poking gel. Let's create a different pattern on the nail with the poking gel. With poking nail gel, you can also make patterns that resemble a net on the nail. The technique is the same no matter which pattern you choose to make. Just let your imagination flow. If you want to make a flower, you could also do that with poking nail gel. Give the poking nail gel some time so it has time to expand. If you want, you can also write texts with poking nail gel. Now we do the last nail design, my favorite. Today's tip: when you are finished with your poking nail gel pattern, just harden the nail. You can finish the nail design by applying top coat or matte top coat. The choice is yours. That is how I use poking nail gel to create textured nail designs. Thank you for watching.